Hello everyone, good evening to all of you. Hopefully, all are fine. I'm also doing well by the mercy of Allah. So, dear friends, I have come here at this moment. I would like to say something about in my video. Okay, so after a long time, I have come here in our paddy field. So, you can see this paddy field quality look like very beautiful. So, you can see all side actually green. So dear friends, my behind side one side he is cutting the grass in your actually in this type of work. And before actually he 2 hours ago he has come here and that type of work. And he working actually he 12 years old and he working every day. He has come here for already he bundle one bundle grass, so cutting grass. So dear friends, my video actually today not for good quality and my mobile camera so very bad. Nowadays our video I can't making because our mobile camera actually already very bad quality because my mobile actually display and almost damaged. And at that time my video not for good quality. I decide 3rd October actually 3rd September I decide I will buy on mobile. And you can suggest me and hot mobile actually which mobile best for video making purposes. And I decide one mobile. This mobile name is actually a Google Pixel. I decide for I think it's a very good camera this phone and performance so good. I decide please suggest me which phone I will buy for video making purpose. And now I making video and my phone name is Galaxy S21. And this phone also very good performance for camera quality good and display very good. And this phone actually on problem and battery performance so bad. And this phone overall this phone also very good camera. I think camera quality very good. And this phone already 2 years completed this phone. And I decide one phone I will buy for 3rd September. So actually Flipkart big billion offer, so that time I will be buy on mobile. So this sides and go to in your home already in your work done and one bundle grass completed. So he also going to in your home. Okay, so I also return my home after 30 minutes ago. I have come here and now I am going to my home. And I make on video. And dear friends, our English actually my English not for good. And I try my English day by day improvement. I think not improvement I try. Okay, so what can I say? when I video making start at that time, I not for good words and good vocabulary, I forget it. Okay, what can I say? And I'm at a loss. Okay, so that is the problem. And up and before video making and the time, so many vocabulary thinking in English, but when I start video making start at the time, I'm at a loss. Okay, so that is the problem beginning time. Actually my problem also, this is the biggest problem my, and not only me but also everyone this problem. And this problem beginning time, actually this problem, and I think it's doesn't matter. Okay, so but I try. Okay, every time I thinking in English, and I can't think, sometimes I can't think in English, but I try. Okay, so dear friends, everywhere, every moment and every situation I thinking in English, and some time and I can't think in English. Okay, and my one of the biggest problem is the vocabulary. And on the other hand, my problem when I a conversation with another people at the time, I can't question for everyone. So this is the my biggest problem, because my English not for good. Okay, so dear friends, now sun very shine, so you can see this is the evening time, and you can see, wow, and very amazing. So dear friends, our my YouTube channel, please support me, and I also support everyone, for every co-learners like English learners. And social media platforms is a very good platforms for this time for English learning and whatever you can learn. Okay, so dear friends, and social media platform is a best platforms today's day, and you can also try these social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook. There are so many English content video you can watch every moment, every time. And dear friends, a daily minimum 2 hours and 1 hour watch this English video. And I think in your English video was after 3 months, after 4 months, 6 months later, in your mind guess for English. Okay, so I also try this way for learning English. Okay, so dear friends, this is the way for learning English. And learning English also listening, speaking, reading, writing, for major parts I think learning English. Okay, so dear friends, support me, pray for me, every time support me, and our English not for good, and I will try my best. And so dear friends, my humble request for everyone, my YouTube channel, subscribe me and pray for me. So thank you. Bye bye.